Yuck. Look at that. And YouTube, look at that. That is bad. Hey, yo, Mike, the sheriff in town, you know. It was the first time, I'm telling you, man. It was the first time. And we ain't gonna do it today, okay? First time. It's the first time for everything, buddy. Woo, 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 Man, YouTube. Yuck. That's what you call a dead oak tree right there. Luke says it's dangerous. Is that a fact, Luke?
That's a fact.
Well, YouTube, we're gonna get up in there. We've got the house right here, and it's a brand new close for the guy. He just got the house, you know, and they've got a shed right here, another shed right here, you know, house. We're just spinning around in circles here, okay? But we're gonna get up there and start roping this bad boy down. It's gonna have to come down in just little sections, you know, so yeah.
You got a mouse in your pocket?
But me, these guys are just gonna lower it. It is a no cleanup job, so these guys are making off, you know, pretty easy. So looks like the work's all up to me and the mouse in my pocket. But hey, we'll see you at the top. Thanks for watching. Yuck. I'm good. Ooh, man, that is bad. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that, YouTube, but it's dead. Not only is it dead, but it is rotten. Straight kicking holes in the side of it. Yum. We better just keep this on there. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna keep it on there. They clear? Heads, Brad. Well, Stillborn, Mike, Tree Sheriff, you ain't gonna have nothing to complain about this week. But we ain't done yet. Believing. Give me that blue rope, please. Man, YouTube, look at that. Oh, man. Look at that. Yeah, I think they call it a gall wasp, so I know it by, but all right, got one. It's probably not gonna run. It's gonna be too light and I'm in a fork, so. Yeah. There you have it, Luke. Can we get the rope over this way, away from me? Thank you. Let it tip upside down. Very nice. And YouTube, look at that. That is bad. Pretty solid over here. Go ahead. Man, she is rotten, YouTube. Rotten. This is one of them ones, YouTube. You just got an inch along. Try not to shake it too much. You know, just take your time. know if you've seen that or not, YouTube. But a little gaff out action on the old rotten tree here. Need the blue ring. Whew. Crispy, YouTube. Oh, she's crispy. Okay. See what's going on there? This is one of the sketchy ones. So are you ready? Run everything you can. Somebody say something? Nice. Good job. Good job. Yep. Very nice. That was good running, Luke. I ain't gonna yell at you today. Yeah. Well, YouTube, the tree feels pretty hard, all in all, at least on this side. The other side might be a rotten, doty mess. So we just need to go an inch at a time. Just feel the tree. Pray to God that it's going to be okay. My faith is in the Lord. And I firmly believe that it's going to be okay. Yes, sir. Just an inch at a time. So, we've got a cut right here. We'll drop it down there. And then I got a couple little branches we need to nip off. And I think we'll pull this top. I'm not brave enough to rope it down. Here's this ring. Pretty uneasy wobble to it, YouTube. We're gonna top it. It's coming right at you guys. Very well. That's what we like to see there, YouTube. That top came off, and it's still fairly hard right in the center. I'd say this is probably about 9 inches in diameter, and I think we've got about 2.5 to 3 inches of it that is solid. The rest of it I could probably dig out with a screwdriver. So we're only working with about this much solid material in the center. So yeah, she's rotten. So we definitely want to ease on down. Nice and easy. You can see that, YouTube, we're getting a bigger hard spot in the center, you know, and the heartwood's still pretty solid. So now that it's that big around instead of that big around, I'm feeling a lot more confident. Yeah. Yeah. He's lying, YouTube. I'm no slave driver. I was gonna buy you guys a steak dinner at the local steakhouse after we got done, but since Luke wants to run his mouth like that and call me a slave driver, I guess I'll just can that. Just tie it on the blue rope would be sufficient. Crispity, crunchity, butterfinger. That's what this tree is.
Josh, I need you to spend the next minute telling YouTube how much you love us.
Yeah.
See that, YouTube? Not a single word of affirmation of love.
I love you, Luke. It's all on? Okay. Got the handle, little green thing on there. I'm gonna need that on there. Actually, yeah, I do need it. And I'm going to speed line this little saw down to somebody on my climb line. So whoever wants, actually I can just lower it down, I guess. Be a little more safer that way. There it is right there. Go ahead and take that little saw out of here. We're done with him. No, I don't need it back. No, sir.
500 is ready.
All right.
Were you mad?
Man, that's a heavy saw to be packing around.
If you even waited 5 seconds, I was going to say how strong you were.
You just want that steak dinner.
Yeah, I pretty like your old text back response
About what?
about us going up and whatnot.
Oh, yeah. Hey, man. A couple with kids, they freaking deserve a date night every now and then. I tell you what, me and my wife, we don't hardly ever get a date night. We always got our kids, and grandparents all live too far away. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right. Right. Oh, yeah. Hey, we're always making them happy. All right, let's go ahead and put a little tension on this one. That's it right there, YouTube. Yeah. This stuff is like cardboard. But the farther we get down, the bigger the hard spot. You can see where it's all doty right here. All the way around, sapwood's completely toast. But we're getting bigger heartwood, and that's making me a little less fearless. Or a little more fearless, I should say. Not less fearless. Less fearless would be meaning I'm scared. Fear is all in your head, YouTube. All in your head. It's like monsters under your bed when you're a little kid. That should be good, guys. I had to move that piece of wood because, you know, with this piece of wood coming down in such tight quarters, man, you could talk about a serious ricochet and hit, you know, hit the structure. And we don't want to do that, Mike. You know, the sheriff, he'll write us tickets. You know, he'll Stillborn having his live feeds, you know. They're on YouTube, man. He catches everybody's mistakes. He's writing tickets. Whoop, 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 whoop. I've been watching you on your live feeds, Mike. I got the best safety glasses in town. Well, there's a tree down, YouTube. Thank you guys for coming along. We really appreciate your company. Yeah. Mike, if you got something to say about this one, buddy, I don't know what we did wrong. You ain't writing me no tickets, pal. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. I'm trying to climb down here, YouTube, and she's rotten, boys and girls. Oh, we are coming down, though. Oh, man. Stuff falling off all the way around. Man, that tree's rotten. That was a rotten tree, Brad.
Yes, sir.
That sucker was rotten, buddy.
Toasted raviolis.
Here's this big saw. I'll let you have him. There you go. Get that beaner off there. Yeah. A carabiner. Yeah. Luke does have a little Mexican in his blood. Whew. that tree was nasty dead. And we appreciate you coming along. Thanks for having us. We'll see you guys on the next one. If you enjoyed the content, please be sure to leave it a like, check out the channel, consider subscribing.
No considering, do subscribe.
Yeah, like Brad said, no considering, subscribe.
Do it or else.